Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're feeling like your Notion workspace needs a fresh start, or maybe you're running into glitches and want to wipe the slate clean, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to reset Notion and truly refresh your workspace. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to reload the app and, if you really need it, fully erase all local data, giving you a clean foundation for your work or studies. So let's get started. First, let's talk about a quick way to refresh Notion without deleting anything. Maybe your pages aren't updating or things seem a bit stuck. A reload can often solve these minor hiccups. On the Notion desktop app, look at the top left corner and you'll see the Notion logo. Click on it. This opens up a menu where you'll find several options. Next, select View. From here, you'll see two choices: Reload and Force Reload. I always recommend going for Force Reload. Why? Because regular reload just tries to refresh what's already loaded, but force reload goes deeper, kind of like rebooting a computer. It really clears out the cobwebs and makes sure Notion pulls in the latest information from your workspace. Don't worry if your screen goes blank for a moment and reloads. That's exactly what you want to see. Just give it a few seconds and everything should snap back to life, most minor issues resolved. But sometimes you need more than just a refresh. Maybe your Notion app is behaving strangely, showing outdated info, or storing too much clutter behind the scenes. If you feel it's time for a thorough reset and you want to erase all local data, Notion makes it pretty straightforward, but with a couple important caveats. Clearing local data will sign you out and remove anything Notion has stored on your device. So just make sure you've synced and saved anything important before you continue. To start, head up to the menu bar again and this time click on Help. This section's designed to assist you with troubleshooting and deeper settings. Within Help, look for the Troubleshooting option. Once you click it, you'll see Reset and Erase All Local Data. Go ahead and click that button. Notion might ask for confirmation. This is your last chance to double-check that you're ready to erase local data. Once you proceed, the app will start resetting. This part can take a few moments, especially if you have lots of pages or databases stored locally. Just relax and let it run. The app will handle everything for you. When it finishes, Notion will start fresh as if you just installed it. You'll be prompted to sign in again, and from there you'll have a clean workspace to work in. That's all there is to it. Whether you needed a simple reload or a full-on reset, your Notion workspace should now feel totally refreshed and ready for action. I hope this guide helped you resolve any nagging Notion issues and gave you confidence to get things running smoothly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips for managing Notion, drop a comment below. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a helpful tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.